Assalamualaikum, my name is Madan Lal. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the phosphorylation and types of phosphorylation. Now here is second part, that is difference between phosphorylation, oxidative phosphorylation and substrate level phosphorylation. Here we have differentiated these three. So types, there are three types: photophosphorylation, oxidative phosphorylation, substrate level phosphorylation. So if we talk about its definition, that a photophosphorylation, it is a type of phosphorylation which utilize light energy to form ATP. So in photophosphorylation, photo means light and phosphorylation means formation of ATP. So in this photophosphorylation, the formation of ATP by utilization of light energy in the form of photon. They utilize that energy and to form ATP. So this is photophosphorylation. And oxidative phosphorylation, that it is a formation of ATP by the transfer of electron from NADH or FADH to O2. So in this oxidative phosphorylation, the NADH or FADH, that they oxidize and these electron transfer by the electron carrier to O2. So this is uh, oxidative phosphorylation. So substrate level phosphorylation, that in this the formation of ATP by the transfer of phosphate group from substrate to ATP. So in this a phosphate group that transfer from substrate to ATP. So by this process the ATP generate. So this is differentiate between definition. And if we talk about the input, what are the reactant, what they utilize the materials for the formation of ATP. So input in photophosphorylation, the very first is water and NADP plus carbon dioxide. So that input are there that they utilize. And is oxidative phosphorylation. In oxidative phosphorylation, they use NADH, FADH plus oxygen. So they use these compound to form ATP. In substrate level phosphorylation, they use NAD and FAD. So this is input in substrate level phosphorylation. Now in the end, what product they make? So in photophosphorylation, oxygen is a they release is a byproduct, and NADPH they release plus oxygen plus ATP they release. So that is the output in photophosphorylation. Now what are the output in oxidative phosphorylation? In oxidative phosphorylation, they release water, and with that they also generate ATP. And now we have substrate level phosphorylation. In substrate level phosphorylation, the output, the product that they release, that is GTP. So this is differentiate between outputs, or we can say that product that they give. Now site of reaction where they occur. So in this the photophosphorylation, they occur in the light dependent reaction in photosynthesis. So this reaction photophosphorylation occur in the photosynthesis in the process of light dependent reaction. And in oxidative phosphorylation, this reaction occur in electron transport chain. Electron transport chain occur during the cellular respiration. So this process occur during this reaction. And if we talk about substrate level phosphorylation, that this process occur during the Krebs cycle and glycolysis during the cellular respiration. So this is reaction about the glycolysis and Krebs cycle. So these now here further difference between them is, number one is type of energy. So what type of energy that they use? So in photophosphorylation, they use the light energy in the form of photon they use, and in the end product they make ATP. And in oxidative phosphorylation, they use energy of oxidation. So in NADH, FADH, that they oxidize and to form ATP. Now the substrate level phosphorylation. In substrate level phosphorylation, the type of energy that transfer of phosphate group, that through this process they take energy and to form ATP. So these are the types of energy. Now the organisms, in which organism that reaction occur. So in the photophosphorylation occur in autotroph. Autotroph are the those organisms that they use inorganic material to form organic material. And if we talk about the oxidative phosphorylation, that this reaction occur in autotroph as well as heterotroph. So these both organisms are involved in oxidative phosphorylation. So in substrate level phosphorylation, there are both organisms are involved. So what is heterotroph? Heterotroph means those organisms which depend on others for their food. So this is organisms that they involve in different categories. So if we talk about eukaryote, So in eukaryote, this reaction occurs in thylakoid membrane. In oxidative phosphorylation, this reaction occurs in the crest of mitochondria. And substrate level phosphorylation, this occur in eukaryotic organism. In eukaryotic, they occur in cell of the cytoplasm and mitochondria. In cytoplasm, this reaction occurs in the glycolysis process. In mitochondria, this reaction occurs in the matrix in this process of Krebs cycle. So these are the organisms. And if we talk about the prokaryotes, then prokaryotes, this reaction occurs in the chromatophores of the thylakoid. So prokaryotes doesn't possess any complete organelle, so that is why this reaction occurs in the chromatophores of the thylakoid, that is near the membrane. And in oxidative phosphorylation, this reaction occurs in the plasma membrane of the prokaryotes. And in substrate level phosphorylation, the reaction substrate level phosphorylation is occur in the cytosol of the prokaryote. So this is prokaryotic organisms, that different types of reaction occurring at a different level. So electron carrier molecule, what are the carriers, electron carriers molecule in the types of phosphorylation? So in photophosphorylation, the electron carrier molecule is NADP plus, and with that ferridoxin. So ferridoxin is iron containing. So these are the electron carrier in photophosphorylation. If we talk about the oxidative phosphorylation, so in this the electron carrier are NADH, and with that FADH2 and cytochrome and ubiquinone. So these are the electron carrier in oxidative phosphorylation. In substrate phosphorylation, the no electron carrier molecule, but that transfer of phosphate group to other. So these are the electron carrier molecule. If we talk about the phosphorylation, the formation of ATP in photophosphorylation, that indirect phosphorylation, because ATP direct not formed, that formed by the process, by the series of process. So in photophosphorylation, formation of ATP by the series of process that form, that not directly form. In oxidative phosphorylation, the formation of ATP by indirect, it is the indirect. The phosphorylation means directly ATP not formed, it by the series of the process. So in substrate level phosphorylation, the direct ATP formed, so that is why it is called direct phosphorylation. So these are the phosphorylation means where energy direct form or energy indirectly form. So these are the, so net gain ATP in photophosphorylation, the total 7 ATP molecule generated in the photophosphorylation. If we talk about the oxidative phosphorylation, there 34 ATP generated. In substrate level phosphorylation, there 4 ATP generated. So this is overall about the difference between photophosphorylation, oxidative phosphorylation, substrate level phosphorylation. Watching my video, please like, subscribe, and if you have any question, then ask me in comment box. And please, with that, press the bell icon as you get notification soon. Thank you.